Tree removal Wishart. At Cameron's Tree Services, we provide tree removal Wishart property owners can trust. There are lots of factors to obtain trees removed, such as insects, condition, infringement, and more. Our tree experts deal with the whole process, and can masterfully get rid of big trees as well. In comprehensive tree lopping, our staff scales the tree to get rid of big sections. We advise this solution if you're bothered with the branches becoming as well heavy and falling, or if branches are obtaining tangled up in power lines, triggering a fire hazard. In some removal work, our skilled group utilizes tree felling to cut down the tree. It calls for lopping off big branches and making a felling cut at the base of the trunk so that it drops. After we have actually removed the tree, our skilled arborist will certainly use a stump grinder to erode the stump and turn it right into compost. But if the tree's origins are triggering damage to the home's framework, we might require to employ other removal strategies. Call now.